Hello students and welcome to another video. I'm your teacher Mr. Flynn, and today we're going to be calculating the molar mass of a compound. So each element, each molecule, each compound that we're going to work with will be unique in its molar mass because we're working with different elements. So for example, what is the molar mass of H2O? Well, we have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, and we want to know if we had 1 mole of water, that large number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, if we had that many water molecules, how much would its mass weigh if we were to weigh that in the lab? Well, we can calculate that. All right, so on your green periodic table, all right, or the periodic table in the back of your book, okay, or the reference sheet that you have, all right, I want you to find hydrogen, and at the bottom of hydrogen, there's a little number, okay? And it says on there 1.008, and we're going to use these units, grams per mole. Okay, so if I had 1 mole of hydrogen, it would weigh 1.008 grams. But there's not just 1 hydrogen, there's 2, so we're going to multiply it by 2. Okay, and then that comes out to 2.016 grams per mole. All right. Then our next part is oxygen. So oxygen's value is 16, I'm just going to use 16.00. So 16.00 grams per mole. So if I had 1 mole of oxygen, it would weigh this much. But I only have 1 of them, so I'm just going to multiply it by 1. So my value is 16.00 grams per mole. Now, we need to add these parts together. So we have the hydrogen and oxygen parts. And so 16 plus 2 is basically 18. So we have 18.02 grams per mole. Okay, now this is an important number. This is something that you're going to use to do conversions of another kind. So instead of doing atoms to moles or moles to atoms, you're now going to be doing grams to moles or moles to grams. And when you're working with specific masses of different groups of atoms, we have to consider that, and that's what calculating molar mass is. We're taking the parts and adding it up. So 1 mole of water, okay, it's not just 1 atom, but now it's a group of atoms, is 18.02 grams. So if I went into the lab and I weighed out 18.02 grams of water, okay, that would equal, okay, 1 mole of water. I would have 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of water. Okay? All right. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to do conversions from grams to moles and moles to grams. Okay? Thanks again for watching. Until next time.